helps you consistently nock your arrow. Includes 5 nocking points. Easy to install with a pair of nocking pliers and a bow square. Stays securely in place once crimped. Handy to keep extras in your bow case for quick repairs. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to install. I bought these nocking points for my new Samick Sage-2 recurve bow, and I have to say, having nocking points on your string is a must if you actually want your arrows to come even close to hitting their spot. I am new to archery, so I wasn't really sure how these worked, as far as installation was concerned. I went to a sporting goods store and range and they put the first one on for me. It was clear that it was not necessary to use the special crimping pliers to install the nocking points. These nocking points are made of soft brass and were easily put on with regular needle nose pliers. Of course, having proper tools is always preferable, but I don't personally see the need to waste money on them. In putting the nocking points on, the expert started with using a square to make it perpendicular from the arrow rest to the string, but was having a hard time with it. She just decided it was easier for her to eye it, then decided to just eye it with an arrow and mark the spot with a pen. The nocking point went on very easily and so far, has not slipped out of place. These nocking points are a great product for a great price.